No, like video.
Yes.
Lola loves blueberries.
Her favorite snack.
Yeah, one more.
One of her favorite snacks is having blueberries. Blueberries.
Show her the blueberries. Blueberries.
Blueberries. What?
Good girl. You good girl. You good girl. Yeah, you good girl. You good girl. You good girl. Yes, you are. You good girl. You good girl. Want more blueberries, huh? That's what it is. You want more blueberries. You can smell
We
them.
have plenty blueberries.
Okay, no more blueberries for
No
you.
more blueberries for you. One for Mama.
Papa.
One for Papa.
Delish.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're gonna run out of memory. Last one for her. Last one for Lola.
We have to teach her to eat with her mouth closed.